Meaning of elephantine.
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 Elephantine. The term elephantine is an adjective that describes something or someone that resembles or has the qualities of an elephant. It can also refer to something that is large or clumsy, like an elephant. The word comes from the Greek word elephas, meaning ivory. In everyday use, elephantine can refer to a person's physique, a vehicle's size, or a company's bureaucratic structure. Its usage is often metaphorical and can be negative or positive, depending on the context in which it is used.